Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. Today we're going to make some funky earrings and necklaces using these oranges and lemons. I think they look fab. I'm going to be using stainless steel earring wires, possibly jump rings, I'm not too sure yet. It depends how they dangle, so we'll see. We've got 2 pairs of pliers, earring cards. These are stainless steel ready-made necklaces, which you'll find on my website, which I'll link below for you. Most of the supplies that I show you, you will be able to find on my website. So we're going to see, I'm going to add a jump ring. Well, these are quite strong actually. I think these are 0.6 millimeters. I do have a video all about jump rings, opening and closing them, which I'll link for you. So let's see what these are like. So I've just attached the earring wire. It goes in your ear like this, and we want them to sit like this. So let's just see how that will hang. Yeah, I think that will hang fine. So there's that one. Let's do another one. How are you all? I hope you're all well. And if you're not, I hope that changes for you very soon. So there's that one. We'll attach that one to there. And then close. This makes me want to sing the nursery rhyme, Oranges and Lemons. So those of those. Let's do the lemons now. I won't sing. I won't sing to you. I cannot sing. I attract all the cats in the neighbourhood, including my cat that's deaf. Okay, so we've got earring wire and then touch and close. See how quick they are to make up once you get going. Oh, wrong one. Do that one up. Right, so what I'm going to do is take 2 earring cards. I showed these in a haul I did the other day. They're made with love heart stickers and they only cost me 99p. I should have bought some more, shouldn't I? Put them on the card, try and get them centered as much as I. There's that one. There we go. So we attach those to the earring card. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you're really missing out. I've got lots of jewellery tutorials, ideal for the complete beginner. I go right back to the very basics. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. What I will do is just attach 2 silicone backs just to keep them in place. I do have an Etsy as well. Been on there for years and I honestly can't remember. I may even have 30,000 sales. I haven't looked lately. But it's great for selling handmade jewellery. I've got links as well in the description. Links in the description that will give you free listings as well. So if you don't sell anything, it doesn't cost you anything. And there's also some tutorials about how you list items. So go check it out if you've got items that aren't selling. So again, we'll attach this one. This one. I'll put some backs on those. If you do craft fairs, how are you finding the craft fairs? I don't actually do them. I just like to have some me time on the weekend and actually go out and try and do something. There we go. So there's the oranges. And then these, I think these are £1. Stainless steel. So here we've got our chains. And I think what I'm going to do, I want them to sit. You can tighten or loosen these. And I do want them to be flat like this. So I'm just going to take now, I want a strong jump ring. These are 7mm. You can, if you wanted to, thread it through, but I want to have the jump ring. Again, open, add the chain and close. It might be a bit big. Let's have a look how they hang. I'm going to do a 7mm. If I go any smaller, they're not as thick. Just join this one. These necklace chains are 20 inches, so they sit just above your boobs when these sell. And I'm going to say when they sell, you've got to be positive. If you don't like your own jewellery, you won't sell it. You've got to have passion in what you make. There was some jewellery I used to make, but I hated making it. It was very fiddly. I won't tell you what it was. And I absolutely hated making them. And I stopped making them in the end. And I know that sounds really silly, doesn't it? But you've got to like, because if you're doing it day in, day out, it becomes very boring. And I don't like to be bored. I don't want to be bored. So we'll take 2 of these. And I'm not going to put the Handmade with Love on. This one, just so it stands out. Again, personal preference. Do you. We're all different. There, what do you think? Is that something you would wear for summer? With your yellow, orange dresses? So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.